taken off the back of the Melodica and we've exposed the reeds here. Now we know all of them are playing except was it this one? This one here, you can hear it. It's clicking, and this one, this one I've already fixed. So it's just this one that needs adjusting, and we can see that it's just not aligned, it's going crooked. If you can see that one, I don't know if you can or not, but basically this one here is just not aligned. Now we don't have a reed wrench big enough, but I've discovered that if you use a Hohner spring for a back of a CX12 that holds the CX12 in place, this part here fits the reeds just enough to make the adjustments that we need to make. It's already fixed this one, so now it's just this one, and I can see here that it's just too much this side, so I'll just put my CX12 reed wrench here and just micro adjust. Perfect. There we go. Yes, see? Bang. And that's that. Melodica is now fixed. All those notes are sounding perfect. So all we have to do now is just put the back of this back on, and the job is done. The job is finished, folks. That's it. Screw the back on. We'll just test to see if it does indeed work, and it does indeed. These were the two. So, as you can hear, it's perfectly in tune, and there's nothing wrong with it now. So that's it. I'll repair a Hohner Melodica. Very simple misalignment, reed wrench, job done. Hohner Melodica Soprano. Check out my website. Also, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll see you then, folks. Bye.